Grey leerder te wees beteken om deel te wees van iets groters as jouself. Dit beteken jy is deel van 'n familie wat oor 170 jaar al strek. En vandag, van die manne wat hier voorsit, tot die oudstes van die oudstes wat daar agter sit, we are celebrating this bond that can never be broken.
Never underestimate how privileged you are. En hierdie is die beste skool op die planeet. Nie oor die sport nie, nie oor die rugby nie, nie oor die akademie nie, nie oor die kultuur nie, maar oor die dinge wat jy hier kry. The values that you will learn, the friends that you will make. Here you will learn about respect, discipline, grit, om vas te byt, humility. These values will be with you for the rest of your lives.
%80 of my core memories was formed here at Grey. You can only create a core memory if all 5 of your senses are tweaked. Ek stap hier by die saal in, ek hoor dit, ek sien dit, mens voel dit. Dis special, guys. Maak soveel as wat jy kan core memories hier by hierdie skool, want op die einde van die dag gaan dit bepaal hoe jy jou lewe sien. Viva la Grey.
Wat 'n voorreg om weer hier te kan wees na 40 jaar om weer op dieselfde plek te kan staan. Ek moet sê dit gee 'n mens hoendervleis. En vir die seuns, ek dink nie julle op hierdie stadium sal julle besef wat 'n voorreg dit is om in 'n skool soos Grey te kan wees nie. Ek dink jy besef dit eers as jy na 'n klompie jare weer terugkom.
Hoor jy so, ek het 'n paar van julle vanoggend ontmoet en dankie dat julle dieselfde kyk het as ons mekaar kyk as toe ek hier was in 1970. Baie dankie vir julle ouens dat julle die skool hou op 'n standaard wat eintlik verwag word, jy weet.
Ek wil net begin, ek wil vir Here dankie sê vir Grey. Ek dink nie ons kan genoeg vir Here dankie sê vir 'n amazing plek soos dit nie. Marnus het nou net gesê, dis lekker om weer hoendervleis te kry tot so in jou kop, hè. Dis lekker.
That's what today is about, rediscovering those moments, rekindling old bonds, and remembering that no matter where life has taken you, you'll always be part of this family. So thank you for coming back. Thank you for continuing to carry the spirit of the school with pride. And most of all, thank you for being part of this school story.
Ek was nooit 'n skoolkaptein nie. Ons skoolkaptein Nico Koetse is 'n paar jaar gelede oorlede. Ek is die enigste van my klas wat nog hier kan wees. I was never a school captain. I was never a prefect. I was never a class captain. I was one of the boys. I was a Grey all my life. And every day was an absolute joy. At Harvard University, where I specialized, I also gained a master's degree in public health. Don't make the mistake that I made. Vat daai hand. Die soetsmaak van sukses is wonderlik. Achievement is wonderful. Do it to yourself. Do it for yourself, for your parents, and for your school. Viva la guerra.
Bunch of kids from the same town, the whole world in our hands. Oh, we had the time of our lives, the time of our lives, the time of our lives, the time of our lives. Now we're all grown up, coming back together again for one more chance to remember when we had the time of our lives, the time of our lives, the time of our lives, the time of our lives.
I just want to present to you two people on my right-hand side over here. They've got a bloodline and a history like you wouldn't believe. Their grandfather was the principal of the school many years back, Mr. Patat Cronje. Their father is Mr. Tommy Cronje. And I'm sure a lot of you were taught by him. Marcel teaches at the school and his team is at the Rini office. Isn't that a bloodline? Isn't that a dedication, commitment to Grey College? Thank you so much.